the choke cable. I don't know why I didn't do that, but I'm just gonna try to give it a few pumps of fuel and see if it takes. Okay. So yeah, one shot first start. I don't have the choke, so keep it on the high rev. But yeah, I think problem solved. Cold start issue is fixed. Now the car is back on the road. Just have to keep on driving it more, and then I can find other faults that I have to repair. Sharp guys, but I'll be taking it for a small test drive now with the original carburetor in the car. Let's see if it moves any better, because it was like holding back in power too much, and it was like bogging, and as soon as you give fuel, the car felt like it wanted to die with the carburetor that it had, the Pirate one that the car came with. So let's check now. So yeah, the idle seems steady, 900. So far so good. Car is still cold, but it's performing much better. It's actually moving. Gear 3 over the speed bump. Yeah, it's still going. So I think that problem is fixed, but let me just continue the video till I get to the highway. I'm sitting at the awards end. It's idling steady between 900. It's fluctuating slightly, 900, 950. Actually, the car is moving fine. It's pulling right. Okay, I'm pulling on thing now, but the car is going. Second stage is opening out. Guys, I think I'm going to call it a day with this car. If I find something else to do with it, then I'll make a new video, but for today I think I'm done. I'm happy with the way it's moving. So yeah guys, thanks so much. Like and subscribe.